what we're doing today is we're demonstrating a cannula technique of injecting filler. And this is our lovely patient today, and she has had some filler before, so she's familiar with this process. So one of her concerns today is a little bit of hollow underneath the cheekbone. She doesn't like this hollow. So I'm going to use the technique using a cannula. A cannula looks like a needle, but it is blunt on the end. And the beauty of that is it can't penetrate any structures inside. It's quite comfortable to move the cannula around, but we do need to use a little needle to puncture the skin to get the cannula in there. And the nice thing about this technique is that it is less bruising, less swelling, etc. involved. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of pinch the skin a little bit here, and I'm going in with my little needle. One little needle poke, and you put your finger there. Thank you so much. And that's really the part that is uncomfortable. The next part is usually pretty easy. Sometimes it takes a second to actually find my little hole. Roughly in the right place. There we go. So now I'm in the right spot, and this allows me to inject a wider area without having to put the needle in multiple times. So I can go all the way up here, and I can come out and change direction and put a little filler in. And change direction and put a little filler in. And so on. And then we reevaluate, have a peek at the face. Everyone's different. Everybody's
sensitive areas.
Yeah, so, so people vary in terms of how they feel. How is it for comfort?
Oh, I don't feel it really at all.
And I always say injecting is a little bit like sculpture.
Yeah.
You kind of have to mold the product a bit. Sometimes.
Beautiful.
So that actually is one. So I'm thinking that's enough on that
Yes.
side. I know you were thinking,
Yeah.
but I think that's probably enough.
Oh, yeah.
And then we can always do a little massage in that area. That kind of smooths the product out. And again, loss of volume in the area of the cheek, often in this area and the lower part of the cheek, is something that affects all of us as time goes on. And when we restore a little bit of volume to those areas, it tends to look a lot more youthful.